Tony's Eat and Drink presents Tony's Heroes.
Tony's Heroes.
The guy that goes to the bar straight from the gym.
He goes to the bar straight from the gym.
30-pound curls? Not until the next gym session, because the only workout he'll be doing tonight is a couple of 12-ounce curls.
He only works out his arms.
A post-workout shake? Not here. He prefers a chicken fiesta salad covered in buffalo sauce and shredded cheese. But you already knew that. He tells everyone he meets about his meal plan and macronutrients.
Protein.
So next time you hit up Tony's after the gym, don't tell us about how much you work out, because we'll be able to tell if you actually do. And instead, take a shower, change your shirt, and don't be the guy who
goes to the bar straight from the gym.
Be a Tony's hero.